I hear someone ask for a miracle. Let me hear you say, ah.
Ah!
That's close enough.
A ghost.
Get ready, Mulan. Your serpentine salvation is at hand. For I've been sent by your ancestors to guide you through your masquerade. Come on, you're gonna stay, you're gonna work. So heed my word, cause if the army finds out you're a girl, the penalty is death.
Who are you?
Who am I? Who am I? I am the guardian of lost souls. I am the powerful, the pleasurable, the indestructible Mushu. Ooh, haha, pretty hot, huh?
My ancestors sent me a little lizard to help me.
Hey, dragon, not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.
You're,
Intimidating? Awe-inspiring?
tiny.
Of course, I'm travel size for your convenience. If I were my real size, your cow here would die of fright. Down, Bessie. My powers are beyond your mortal imagination. For instance, my eyes can see straight through your armor. Oh. Alright, that's it. Dishonor. Dishonor on your whole family. Make a note of this. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
Stop! I'm sorry. I'm just nervous. I've never done this before.
Then you're gonna have to trust me. And don't you slap me no more. We clear on that? Alright. Okie dokie, let's get this show on the road. Get the bags. Let's move it, Haifa.